ZEBEC Network breaking out today. We have a nice update for you guys. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. We believe ZEBEC Network gonna print millionaires this cycle. It looking extremely bullish, extremely better than all the other crap people are buying, all the other scam coins that are going down in the Bitcoin bull market. ZBCN broke out. It broke out into its own bull market in May. We told you about that. Printed money, made a triple. Then we let it corrected. It was correcting. We left it here, sold everything, and now we started to positions. Okay, we started to position. We took that trade here. It hit all our lovely targets here, made some good money. Then we initiate another trade here, and we added more on the 455. Now it's going. Now it looks like it should go. Okay, now you have a very beautiful behavior here. This is what you want. This is the coins you want to have. Okay, you want to have coins that behave like they should behave. They break out. It doesn't matter the stinky Bitcoin. It doesn't matter the Fed, the Schmed, the cookie pookie, and all the bullshit people telling you out there. You have a breakout that work. That's it. You don't need nothing else. Nothing else. Obviously, we took that breakout here. Amazing candle forming here on the daily. Again, this candle, you can see it opened above the resistance line. Okay, the resistance line around the 44. Now, hopefully, again, we don't want to jinx it. It's gonna close like this or higher. Now we want to see the next area is this area. We have a lot of wicks here. You can see around the fives. They already have a little rejection here happening. It went to 453 on this chart. You need to see ZBCN taking that level, maintaining above that level. Now let's zoom in here on the 4-hourly. Look at that. This is making higher low and higher high here. You can see that was your bottom here. We told that was the bottom. Bottom is confirmed. We told you bottom is confirmed. Bam, bam. Then we made a higher low here. Bam, bam, bam. Then another higher low, and you can see the higher lows are getting away from each other. You can see that was kind of deep pullback. That was more shallow pullback. And you can see, again, this is just our 2 cents, not a financial advice. You can see the parabola is forming here. This is a breakout. Now, if it stays above this trend line, above this 44, 45-ish, bullish as fuck. If it comes back below it, probably going to have a correction. Okay, now this is very beautiful chart. Again, and you can see how it's breaking out while Bitcoin is taking a piss, while the PP man peeing on Bitcoin. Again, we're going to show you a little bit of Bitcoin to see what happened to ZBCN. Before that, man, make sure to get yourself Bitunix account. This offer is going to be over soon in the end of the month. We have 2 days more to enjoy this amazing iPhone, gifts and USDT bonuses. Amazing campaign, man. Join with this link of Crypto Mindset. Link below. The best exchange you can trade ZBCN there. You can short, long ZBCN. You can buy it on spot. You can do everything with ZBCN there. Man, stop trading on Coinbase, Kraken, all this crap. That taking high fees, crypto.com. They have no volume. They have nothing, man. You don't want to be there. You're going to lose money and you're going to get wrecked. Okay, so get yourself a Bitunix account and let's continue. Look, this is ZBCN. Okay, just to put it on the radar, that's your next major resistance here. All right, we cleared. This was a very strong resistance. I think this was a stronger resistance than that, but time will tell. Now we need to take that level, that high. If it can close above it again, you might pull back, but not sure, man. It can do that as well, So anyway, looking for it to break out above this level and continue making higher lows and higher highs until it hit the high here, the high of around the 7s and 007s. And then we're probably going to have some kind of a reaction, consolidation, and then we're going to break. We're going to break and we will continue into our price target of this leg of ZBCN, of this immediate bull run wave. We believe the next target is going to be around the 3 cents to maybe even 10 cents. Okay, we're going to keep you posted. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, retweet, share it on your X. If you like ZBCN, retweet it, follow me on Twitter. And guys, let me show you. We took the ZBCN already up in a little profit, nothing major. This one to show you we had this trade. Where is this trade? This was the trade. Share it in the Elite VIP from July 25. Bought a little bit at 40, okay, and triple my size on 455, okay. Once it broke 455, actually yesterday, triple the size, and we bought a little position on the 40. Look at this. Look at this trade, man. Very nice trade. You know, look at this. At 40 we bought some, bam, and at 455 we triple size right here. Okay, so we're up on it in the last couple of days. This guy is up 30%. This entry, the second entry was the major one, up kind of max gain 20%. We believe it's going to go way higher. We're leaving a runner on ZBCN. ZBCN is a swing trade. That means we're not closing the runner till it's violating a major support or break structure. So at the moment, it's in a bullish structure. We're holding a runner, kind of big runner, and we let it grow. We let it grow, print us money. Guys, really, we invite you all to join our membership. You can join Elite VIP if you trade with more than 50K, 6 digit and above, if you need personal guidance and attention, because this cycle will cook you. If you don't have the right mentors, the right people behind you that back your back, that watch your back, the right people that help you manage risk, take profits, use stocks, learn how to trade it professionally, you're gonna get completely destroyed by this market. This market is not for lady boys or clowns. This market is for serious traders. Okay. Now join Elite if you have a large account, kinda. If you trade with, doesn't matter the amount. If you can trade with 1K, you can trade with 5K, 10K, more than that. Join the VIP. VIP, man. You get all our trade alerts, all our market updates. We'll keep you level-headed. We trade ZBCN obviously, and we trade other names as well. We help people print money in this market. That's what we do. And once the market will top out, you have another couple of months maybe, then the recession will hit, and then we're going to print even more money because we're going to short them all, because it's very simple, man. We teach you how to short. We're going to teach you how to short. We teach you how to long. Super simple strategy, man. Once you join, check out the messages on the WAP. You're going to get a message from me with 2 videos you need to watch on how to buy breakouts. That's it. You watch that, you're good. We also have educational content. We have everything you need to thrive in this tough market. It's a tough market, man. It's a tough market. Most clowns and YouTubers and influencers are cooked. They lost everything already. And it's a bull market. It's now in the banana zone, Man, if you don't know what you're doing, this market will eat you alive. So really, make sure you join this trading service. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.